Hey guys, my name's Kyle from Brightside Art. I've been creating community art for the better part of 5 years now, and I started Creative Sparks projects as a community art initiative that would allow me to continue to inspire creativity, particularly with young people. They get to share a part of themselves and contribute their voice to how their community looks and feels. It's really awesome because it creates an end piece of art that is something super personal to the young people of the area, but it's also allowed to be enjoyed and loved by the community as a whole. And yeah, that's basically the plan, is to sort of take that and paint it nice and big on a wall. For the Rosebud Creative Sparks project, we worked with Mornington Peninsula Shire, in particular their arts and culture team, as well as their youth services team. And we also got the support from Advanced College to be able to offer this opportunity for their students to come along and be involved.
Our school is for students who have disengaged from mainstream education. They've maybe have big gaps in their schooling, or have had some barriers to learning for a variety of reasons.
But yeah, super, start far off. Yeah, and nice and light. Don't layer it too much. Right, well, let's power on anyway before this sun starts cooking us.
Yeah.
And then what I sort of went over doing again is basically I wanted to kind of colour block it for you guys, so when you get down there you sort of have a clear plan of what you're doing and not just kind of going there winging it.
The theme of the project was like the ocean, and you had to like pop in your own little like style things in like the middle or on the outside.
I started and I didn't think I was going to be too good at painting, because I'm not, but like it's coming out alright with all the nice colours and everything like that. And yeah, it's just good because we got all the ideas down on a piece of paper before we actually just went straight to it.
I decided to do like a girl who's sitting there with her music and then the waves are just coming over her. It's like how I feel at the beach when I like go to the beach, just listen to music and just chill. And I feel like that's my calm space. I got to design my idea and then paint it on like this canvas thing to have a test run. And then I started drawing it on the paper. And then, yeah, we put it on the wall and painted.
Our engagement has been fabulous, their attendance has been epic, and they've been really excited to be a part of the project and see what Kyle does as a profession, and that you can be an excitable human and still succeed in this universe.
I was super stoked with the end result. It was awesome seeing that these kids had so much inside them, and they were just so enthusiastic to share their voice. We just needed to give them the opportunity.
Now every time I'm down the street and I come past here and I see it on the wall, I'm going to feel like accomplished and like, oh, this is just amazing. I helped with this, and now look how good it looks, and it's just going to be amazing.
You know, we've got to share with them that you don't have to sort of fit this traditional 9-to-5 mould for a career or for your life or anything like that. You can, you know, do cool stuff that you're passionate about, be successful, and still give something back to your community.
So to be able to do something hands-on, which is what the VCAL program is supposed to be all about, so to do that, learn some life skills and some employability skills, and actually work with people who live in the community. It's going to be somewhere that they spend time.
There's so many communities out there that are just begging for new and interesting ways that they can engage with their young people, and they're just searching for that next exciting thing that they can do to revitalise their community. So for me, I'm just super excited to be able to grow Creative Sparks projects.